Hi, mabuhay! It's your girl, Melanie. Welcome to Contempairs, and I'm in other's house. This is not my house, so I went to my friend's house to do a makeover. Welcome, my friend Weena! Come! Can you say hi? Let's get started. So we are here in her living room. This is the best lighting that I'm getting. She has a nice house too. This is the first time I came to visit. She doesn't talk a lot. She's shy type. And she doesn't wear makeup, which is good. She looks younger than me, but she's a bit older than me. She looks like 18 years old, right? Comment down below if you agree. Ano lang to, primer. Ang sarap ng primer na to. Yeah? Sometimes I speak to her in my language, which is the Kapampangan, but she's not. What is your dialect or your language in the Philippines? Tagalog. She's Tagalog. She just came back from the Philippines, but she didn't get anything like I got from the Philippines. I got a lot of pimples, sunburn. Yeah. Have a nice skin. Lucky girl. One of a kind. One of a kind skin type. There you go. It's so creamy. This is the Pixie Flawless Poreless. And now, foundation. I had to use my makeup products because she doesn't put makeup, so she doesn't have any product. I think this is the first time I heard someone that doesn't have my makeup, which is good for her. She's saving a lot of money. Simplicity is beauty, sabi nga, diba? Excuse me for the excuse me about the noise. Her husband is making something in their basement. So next would be her eyebrow. The last video that I published, I think I said this is eyeshadow. I'm putting eyeshadow. Sorry about that. Now it's your eyebrow. Viewers. Also, you know what, guys? We're starting a new YouTube channel. It's way different with this one because this is all about me, and that one is not all about me at all. It's all about the information, expertise, and experience that we have in childcare field. Hoping to help a lot of people that wanna start their own childcare business. Wait, yan. Just her eyebrows. Okay. Now, eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna pick the lighter color because I want it to be simple. Pikit. Nice. Ayan. Close your eyes. Yes. Love it. Right? Make it shiny. Okay. Yeah, just put some lip tint. This is her look. Wow. She glowing, right? Thank you guys for watching. Bye.